Hi everyone, my name is Victor and I am one of the authors of technique.com. Today, we're going to continue with our Learn Linux from Scratch series and we're going to be looking at using wildcard in Linux. We've talked about what globing is and what wildcard is in our previous classes. We've talked about how to use the asterisk wildcard, the question mark wildcard, the square bracket wildcard, the exclamation mark wildcard, and this is the last section of globing. So we're going to be talking of how to use the curly bracket wildcard. The curly bracket wildcard is used to combine more than one global pattern in a match or in a filter with a comma. We're going to look at this using examples. So since the curly bracket is used to combine more than one globing pattern, if I want to list all the directories, let's go to the sysmodule directory. Okay, so if I want to list all the directories that ends with IPv4 and IPv6, all I have to do is to use my normal list command, and I'm going to introduce the curly bracket, which means that I want to combine a globing pattern in a match or in a filter. So I'm going to introduce my asterisk wildcard as well. So which means I want to list all the directories that ends with IPv4. I'm going to put IPv4 here, then followed by a comma. I'm still going to introduce my asterisk and put IP version 6, and then I'm going to close the brackets. So I'm not supposed to put a space between IPv4 and IPv6. So I have all the directories that ends with IPv4 and IPv6. So this is how you use the curly bracket. Just know that anytime you want to combine more than one globing pattern in a filter or a search with a comma, then you can use the curly bracket wildcard. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and I see you in the next class. Bye for now.